Hello, my name is Stephen Thomas and I'd like to show you how to make a face mask. Take one of these paper towels, tear it off, take two elastic bands, lay this on a hard covered book, place one elastic band on the one end, take the other elastic band, place it over the other end. Now take a glue stick, glue, and fold it over. Glue again on the other side. And fold that over. Now allow it to dry for 10 minutes and then I will come back to you. Now that 10 minutes has passed, we are going to carefully remove the elastic band by moving. There's one side carefully removed. We pull, and there's the other side carefully removed. So let's put our face mask on. So here's our paper mask, our mask made from these kitchen towels. We put it around one ear and around the other, and there we have our face mask. Now if you wanted to, now instead of using paper towels, the ideal is to use polypropylene or PP plastic. It's woven into a cloth, and polypropylene is a polymer. It's made from many monomers. You see it's made from 3-carbon double bond propene, or so here is one propene, prop 1-ene. See, it's got a double bond and then it's got 3 carbons. Now if you join many of these by breaking the bond and joining this to the next one, you get a polymer, PP, polypropylene, that looks like this. Do you see? There's that, and there's another one of those. Break the double bond, join that carbon to that carbon, because there that broke, and now we've got an extra join. And you keep on doing this many dozens and dozens and hundreds of times, and you get this polypropylene. Now polypropylene is better than paper because paper will tear, but the other reason for that is because polypropylene is a great, especially if you get polypropylene material that has got small enough holes, it's got a sort of a static that will absorb droplets and germs and dust. So as soon as the lockdown ends, I'm going to go and buy me some polypropylene so I don't have to make the face masks out of paper towels. But if you're stuck, you can always make it out of a paper towel.